What's up, guys? Thanks for hopping on the channel today and checking out what we're up to. One of the last episodes, we asked you what kind of coilovers we should get for our 240SX giveaway car. Everyone was super hyped on Fortunato coilovers for the most part. Go check out the comments. Today, we got Fortunato coilovers for the Kooky. Huge shout out to Fortunato for hooking us up and helping us get the right setup for the 240. Let's open it up and show you what we got.
We're going jelly fishing.
So every set of coilovers from Fortunato is handmade to your specifications. Our set has 8K front springs and 6K rear springs. We went with the 500 series Fortunato coilovers. They're a 24-way adjustable monotube coilover, and everywhere I looked has amazing reviews on these. Everyone seems to be super happy with them, and I'm excited to give these a try on the 240. Wait. Shameless plug, Fortunato. Thank you again for hooking us up. If you guys are looking for nice coilovers, check them out. I'm way impressed with the quality so far, and I will let you know how they ride once they're installed. Fortunato link below. Whoever wins this car is gonna be getting hooked up so fat. We've got the nicest parts on this thing. These coilovers, the radium fuel system, new turbo down there. Can't wait to have this thing on the road. Jake, you want these?
Yeah.
Can't have them. You gotta win this car, baby.
Let's rig it so I win it.
Video proof. Jake can't rig it.
No.
Here's our certificate of assembly. Shows you what spring rates we've got. Built by Nate. Nate, thank you. But we are going to check over the suspension ourselves to make sure that there's preload on all these using our spanner wrenches and they're set up properly according to the instructions before we get them on the car, and we adjust our ride height and our fitment so that it looks good with the wheels on. Side note, in the rear here we have Z32 rear knuckles. They're aluminum and they're lighter weight, they're nice, but it's not a common upgrade on the S14. On the S13, you can swap them on just fine and your coilovers will align and everything. But on the S14 chassis, your coilover's at a little bit different angle. So I found this company called RT Track Pro, and they make this adapter kit that allows you to run the S13 the S14 rear coilovers at the right angle so that everything rides correctly and there's no binding in your suspension. Hopefully it works. The last owner literally had suspension on here that wasn't for this car. So it was digging into the knuckles and binding and coming across at the wrong angles. It was a nightmare. Like I mentioned, doing the bushings on this car, that was part of the clunking. They were all blown out because it wasn't aligning right. So hopefully this fixes it. Jake, stop editing and just stuff it up the chimney.
Let's do this. So you kind of gotta like sneak your way in there because you got all sorts of funny business going on. Stuffed.
All done. Just kidding, we haven't even started.
Yeah.
So typically, if this knuckle was still on a 300ZX, your coilover would have a fork that comes down here and mounts through a bushing. But this slug replaces it and allows us to put a perch up to where the suspension should be mounting. All right, got the adapter all in and tight. Coilover attached to it. And the new coilovers in the rear, ready to go. Dude, these things are so nice. Fortune really just taking care of our threads. Time for the front coilovers. Something different with these coilovers than other ones I've installed on the channel is the way that you adjust the camber, and it's with this little washer. It fits right here, and with each rotation it adjusts your bolt's position inside of this oblong hole, allowing you to adjust camber one way or the other. The fronts are super easy to install. Can put it in yourself with one person. Got the top nuts there. Got our top camber plate adjustment. And then our 2 bolts down here. And then we will have to adjust the ride height when we get our wheels. This thing's starting to look like a car. I am so pumped to get this thing on the ground, on some wheels. I cannot wait for you guys to see the wheels that we might get for the car. So stay tuned, guys. Again, hit that red subscribe button so that you don't miss any updates on the build and how you can enter to win this car when we're done. Thanks, guys.